But remember Bulla? Remember Bulla we used to eat over there in Jamaica? Bulla and sugar water. Bulla and water. Sometimes we even eat the Bulla and think about what we're going to drink after. Bulla man. Watch, this is the lyrics are 30 years old. Yeah, 30. Bulla man. Kokechi Bulla man. Listen the reaction. Bulla man. But listen, Bulla man. Not about the Bulla where you use shame man like. Move away. One angalang. This a Bulla kicker the one make you yam. It not in a shop that a destruction. When it in a glass case, draw enough attention. Bulla bag it open, draw enough attraction. When peer come in, make sure you have one in your hand. If the bull a big boy, you only need one. No give you vitamin and you know, give you iron, you give you a good belly full where you say can't go long. Make you drink water, buy the gallon. Some say the bull a cake. No hold something yam. Me nah stop yam me bull a cake, yeah man. As a little youth, I go to school in a me short pants. Setting up me lunch with my mommy in attention. Chuchi no bull a cake. Me used to yam. She always put two in a me lunch pan. Set it up with me cheese and treat it with me jam. Me no love the bull a cake with flour. Dust the pan. For me and them one that does it off with me hand. Nyam up the bull at them one by one. Bake man them in a bakery. No one cake me nyam. Cause every day them angle thousand. When they hire don't have nothing in and they would have wish them mother and father was. They would have bite a mama foot. Pizza mama hand. Bite a mama breast and pizza mama bottom. And nyam up the thing at them one by one. Yeah man, the out lyrics. Let me share the year. Yeah man. 30 years old. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Carlos says so. Original counteraction. Enough love.